Hello, hello, hello. It's your girl Korea from Naturally Done TV, and I'm back again with the Pinch Me video. Alright guys, so I got my first Pinch Me box. I've been signed up with Pinch Me for quite some time now, and I finally got an email that said, hey, you have a free box that's available to you. So without further ado, let's just get into it. This is the package that it comes in. Very cute and pink. So let's see, the first thing that I got, and these are samples, was a shampoo and conditioner sample of Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo. It soothes and hydrates and protects. It's Oat Delicacy Oat Milk Rice Cream Extracts. And they sent me a sample of the shampoo and the conditioner. The next thing that I got is Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk. In the shower or bath, scoop a generous amount of body polish with hand. Spread all over the body in a circular motion and rinse. Follow with Dove Body Wash or Dove Beauty Bar. Oh, I could use this this morning. Okay, that's what that looks like. It comes in a little small jar, a very small jar. But yeah, I'll have to try that tonight. And then they also sent me RX bar for kids. It has 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, 5 cashews, 1 date, and no bad stuff. It's chocolate chip. And this is what this looks like. I may have a hard time getting them to try this, but it's 7 grams of, it's a 7-gram protein bar, and yeah, pretty plain package, small but big enough for me to split between the two to let them try it out. And then I also got a Better Snacks by Mel free box Graze. Oh, the snacks look really good. Look at that. And I get my first box for free. All right, so that was my Pinch Me box. Overall, I mean, it was free. It took about 2 to 3 weeks to get here. It's not nothing that I would pay for. So the fact that it was free kind of, you know, makes up for the sucky products in it. I've never used Whole Blends before. I haven't heard anything about it. If you use Whole Blends by Garnier, let me know in the comments below how do you like their products, and I may give it a try. I use Dove all the time, so I'm excited about that. I have no idea what this is though. So with that being said, Pinch Me, you should definitely sign up for it. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't take much time to sign up. And just wait for that email to come through that's saying that you have a box available for you. The boxes don't last long, so once you get the email, you better head over there quick. So yeah, this video is very quick and to the point. Like I said, this was my Pinch Me unboxing. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.